Okay, now we're going to continue with our perfume product page design. We're going to make it responsive. So to do that, first we'll go to our Chrome browser and we'll click inspect. Now once we click inspect, it's going to show us the mobile view of our website, and as you can see, it is really bad. It is not responsive at all. If yours isn't showing this way, you can come over to the toggle device toolbar and just click it, and it will give you in both laptop view or PC view and in mobile view. So this is the mobile view right here. Now we are going to create a responsive design for this web page. So this is actually my favorite part of web design, and the reason is my favorite part. For most people is actually difficult. The reason I love this part is because whenever I start creating a page and specifically a page that I want it to be responsive, I always make sure that my designs, the way I structure my HTML elements, is in a way that it will making it responsive very easy. That is why I normally find it very easy to create a responsive page. It starts with the structure of the HTML document, the way you put your tags, the way you package them together. So let's start with our product page. So we're going to use the media query. Sorry about that. I'm going to set a max width. I'm going to set a max width to 500 pixels. So anything below 500 pixels is going to listen to this design. So first we'll start with our header. So first we'll start with our header. We are going to give it a padding. Remember, in the initial padding, we gave it a padding of 80 pixels by 100 pixels. Okay, sorry, 20 pixels by 60 pixels. Now we're going to reduce that to just 20 pixels. As you can see, it's changed in the mobile view. Next up, we are going to remove our navigation bar. So to do that, we select our header UL, spelling error. Select our header UL and we'll give it a display of none. Let's remove our header UL. Next up is our anchor tag. We gave it a class name of CTA. So in case you weren't in my initial video, do check it out. It is available on my YouTube account. So just check it out and watch it till the end, and hopefully you could understand how you can follow up with this tutorial. So in our CTA, we're going to reduce the padding to just 20 pixels. For the top, we'll give it maybe 10 pixels. Okay, maybe 12. Okay. This padding, I think I'll just reduce it to 16. Yeah, 16, 20 by 16. Yes. Next up is our main. Initially the display was in flex. For our main, the display was flex. So now we're going to set the flex direction to column. Now it is in column. We are going to give it, reduce the padding to 20 pixels. For the top and bottom would be 80 pixels, left and right will be 20 pixels. Let's just make it 60. Okay. Main description, we select our H1. We'll reduce the font size to maybe a 2.5 rem. Maybe 3 rem. The line height, to reduce it to 3.5 rem. Okay. Next, our pizza, we reduce the font size to 1.1 rem. Maybe 1.2. And this guy over here, which is our button, we are going to reduce the font size to 1.1 rem. Give it a font weight of 400. Okay, 600. But the padding has to go down. Down, not up. Okay, 12 pixels for the top and bottom. We give it 16 pixels. Okay, maybe 14. Nicely done. Now is our image. So the image, sorry. So the image, we're going to set the width to 100%. And that is it. The width is now in 100%. The height, I think I'm going to leave the height the way it was. The border radius, I'm going to give it a border radius of 10 pixels instead of 100 pixels. What is that? For the let's see, what other changes can I make to this? Let's give it a margin. Top and bottom should be around 20 pixels, left and right 0. 20, not 30. Okay, I think that is good. Let's see if we can fix the image a little bit. Maybe give it the object fit of contain. Okay, come back here and we'll change the height to fit content. Perfect. Maybe give this a background. I'll just leave it as it is. So there you have it. We have managed to make the website responsive. That took like about 7 minutes to do. So that is how easy making a website responsive is, depending on how big, how ambiguous your code is or your web page is. So since we were just dealing with a single paged website, it was fairly easy to create the responsive design. So as well, this is the weekly coder, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.